You need to hear this if you're an investor looking to maximize your returns. Ever wondered how to turn $40K into a passive income machine? First up, real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul let you invest in various properties without the hassle of being a landlord. You can earn rental income and property appreciation. Next, consider high-yield dividend stocks. Companies like AT&T or Coca-Cola pay you just for holding their stock. It's like getting a paycheck for owning a piece of the business. How about peer-to-peer lending? Websites like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses. You earn interest payments regularly. Finally, don't forget about REITs or real estate investment trusts. These are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. They're required to pay out almost all of their taxable income as dividends. So there you have it. Real estate crowdfunding, high-yield dividends, peer-to-peer lending, and REITs. Pick a strategy that suits you best and watch your $40K work for you.